Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to learn big friend addition of one formula. Now let us look at the examples. First one, 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1. Now how will I plus 1? We have used all the beads here. So we don't have enough beads. We can't do it directly. Okay, next one, 19 plus 1 plus 5. 19 plus 1. Again, we don't have enough beads, so we can't do this directly. So to solve these type of questions, we have to learn big friend addition formula of 1. Now do you remember who is the big friend of 1? Come on, we have done this before. Very good. Big friend of 1 is 9. Remember we have done this? When we were learning big friends of 9, I have taught you 1 is the friend of 9 and 9 is the friend of 1. Okay, let us write the formula here. To add 1, first we need to plus 10. We need to add the boss. Plus 10 and less the friend of 1. Who's the friend of 1? 9. So here we got the big friend addition formula of 1. Well, if this is your first time on my channel and you don't know how to find big friends, watch my previous videos. I have explained in detail what are big friends and how to write the formula. You will find the link in my description box. With the help of this formula, let us solve these two questions. First one, 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1. Now plus 1 is plus 10 less 9. So plus 10 less 9. My answer is 10. Next one, 19 plus 1 plus 5. 19 plus 1. Plus 1 is again plus 10 less 9. Plus 5. We can do it directly here. So my answer is 25. Now let us solve some more examples that will help you understand this concept better. The first one, 4 plus 5 plus 1. 4 plus 5 plus 1. Plus 1 is plus 10 less 9. Plus 10 less 9. My answer is 10. Next, 8 plus 1 plus 1. 8 plus 1. Can I do it directly? Yes, I can do it directly. Again plus 1. Now I can't do it directly, so I have to use the formula. The formula says plus 10 less 9. My answer is 10. Next one, 9 plus 1 plus 8. 9 plus 1. Plus 1 is plus 10 less 9 and add 8. Can I do it directly? Yes. My answer is 18. Next, 2 plus 7 plus 1. 2 plus 7. Plus 7 I can do it directly. Plus 1. Now plus 1 is plus 10 less 9. My answer is 10. Next, 9 plus 1 plus 5. 9 plus 1. Plus 1 less 9. Add 5. Add 5. My answer is 15. Next one, 16 plus 3 plus 1. 16 plus 3. Can I do it directly? Yes. Plus 1. Plus 1 again the formula says plus 10 less 9. My answer is 20. Next, 39 plus 1 plus 8. 39 plus 1. Plus 1 is plus 10 less 9. Plus 8. Can I do it directly? Yes. My answer is 48. Next, 56 plus 3 plus 1. 56 plus 3. Can I do it directly? Yes. Plus 1. Plus 1 is plus 10 less 9. My answer is 60. Next, 29 plus 1 plus 5. 29 plus 1 plus 10 less 9 plus 5. My answer is 35. Next one, 65 plus 4 plus 1. 65 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1. Plus 1 is plus 10 less 9. My answer is 70. We have solved all these 10 sums and I hope you are clear on when and how to use big friend addition of one formula. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching us. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and keep mastering the technique of Abacus with Fatima.